Exercise number 54. Local authorities, as borough and urban councils, generally derive their main revenue from the rates they levy. Full stop. They may, of course, receive profits from any business carried on by them within the borough. Full stop. Over and above all this, they receive allowances from the state. Full stop. Either men or women may appeal to the authorities, and they very often do, if they think they have been unfairly assessed. Full stop. But it will be difficult for them to obtain relief unless they are able to prove their case, and satisfy the authorities as to a supposed overcharge. Full stop.